If you like my video, please click on the like button, and for more videos, please subscribe to my channel on YouTube.
A man is looking his magnified image in a mirror placed in front of him. The kind of mirror he is using is plane mirror, convex mirror, concave mirror, none of these. In searchlights and headlights of automobiles, the mirror used is concave mirror, plane mirror, convex mirror, none of these. Refractive index of glass with respect to air is 1.9. What is the refractive index of air with respect to glass? 1, 1.9, 0.523, 0.776. A convex lens becomes less converging when placed in oil, water, both A and B, none of the above. What is the relation between the refractive index eta and the wavelength lambda of light? Eta is proportional to lambda, eta is proportional to 1 by lambda, eta is proportional to lambda square, eta is proportional to 1 by lambda square. The cause of twinkling of star is periodic burst of light from the stars, interference of sunlight with the starlight, partial absorption of light in the atmosphere, refractive index fluctuating in the atmosphere. When a light ray travels from air to water separated by the sharp boundary, proceeds undeviated, bends towards the normal, bends away from the normal, is totally internally reflected. Refractive index of a material depends upon its temperature, wavelength of light used, nature of the material, all of the above. The refractive index of glass with respect to air is 3 by 2. The refractive index of air with respect to glass is 3 by 1, 3 by 2, 2 by 3, 1 by 3. A fish in water looks at the bird sitting on the tree. The bird will appear at greater distance than the actual distance, not be visible, appear to be the same distance, appear to be at lesser distance than the actual distance.